Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you're all very well indeed. Welcome to another episode of One Man in His Boat. I am your host Barry, and this is our Gorgeous Cygnus 21, the Lynsey B. Now on this episode what we're getting on with is more work on prepping the pothauler area, so if that's something you're interested in guys, please stay tuned. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, where are we since last week's episode? Well, since last week I've been making the patterns for the stainless steel. Far cheaper to make a mistake on the plywood than it is on the stainless steel. What we're going to get up to today, we're going to drill and countersink the round bar that's still to go over the edge of the gunnel. Once we get that on, then we can finalise the patterns for the stainless steel and then get them cut out. Once they're cut out, it's just a matter of fitting name. And then what we'll do is, hopefully by the end of this video, that we'll get the clamping scenario sorted out so we know exactly where the pothauler is going to go. So you've got that to look forward to in this episode. I have noticed since I made these episodes shorter that I do waffle on a bit and you're not getting as much video time. So I'm going to be quiet now and we can cash on with this. Cue the music, Baz. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'm afraid that's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed what I've done. We've still got a lot of work to do in this area, right, and we'll get another 2 vlogs out at least before the pothole is actually in place. We've still got to rig up. There's still a lot of work to do in the boat, so stay tuned guys. So without further ado, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, write a comment below. Subscribe to the channel, which is a biggie for me, and take that notification bell, and YouTube will make you feel very special indeed, my friends. Right, until the next vlog, all the very best, my friends.